What if you fell into a black hole? Would time freeze around you? Would your body stretch like spaghetti? Or could you even end up in another universe? This is Think If, and today we're going to explore what would really happen if you got too close to one of the strangest objects in the universe. A black hole begins its life as a massive star. When the star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own weight. The collapse is so powerful that the core shrinks down to a single point. This point is called the singularity, a place where gravity is infinite and our laws of physics stop working. Around it lies the event horizon, the invisible boundary that marks the point of no return. If you cross this line, you can never escape. Not you, not even light. Now, imagine yourself on a journey toward a black hole. From far away, it looks dark, but around it is something spectacular, the accretion disk. This disk is made of gas, dust, and even shredded stars, all spiraling at nearly the speed of light. As the material rubs together, it heats up to millions of degrees and glows brighter than entire galaxies. As you get closer, time itself starts to play tricks. For you, everything feels normal. But to someone watching from a safe distance, your movements begin to slow down. The closer you get, the slower you appear, almost as if time is freezing for you. And then, you cross the event horizon. From your perspective, nothing special happens at that exact moment. There's no wall, no flash, no sudden shift. You simply keep falling inward. But to anyone outside, you never truly cross. Instead, you appear stuck at the edge, frozen in place. Your image slowly fades away as your light is stretched into longer and longer wavelengths until you vanish completely. To them, it looks like you've become a ghost hovering at the boundary of the black hole. Now inside, gravity becomes more intense with every step. If you're falling feet first, your feet are closer to the singularity and feel a stronger pull than your head. The difference is so extreme that your body begins to stretch apart. You would be pulled into a long, thin shape, like a piece of spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. It's not just your body. Your muscles, your bones, your cells, even your atoms themselves would be torn apart by gravity. There is no surviving this process. At last, you reach the center, the singularity. This is where gravity is infinite and space and time collapse into a single point. What happens here is beyond our current understanding of science. Some theories suggest you would simply be crushed into nothing. Others imagine black holes as possible gateways, tunnels that might lead to distant parts of our universe, or even into new universes entirely. But right now, the truth is unknown. The singularity remains one of the deepest mysteries in physics. So, what really happens if you fall into a black hole? From your perspective, you cross the horizon, stretch apart, and fall into the singularity. From an outside perspective, you never actually fall in. You just slow down, freeze, and fade away. Two completely different realities, both true depending on where you're watching from. Black holes are the universe's ultimate paradox. They destroy everything, yet they might also hold secrets about the beginning of the cosmos, or even the future of space travel. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are questions written into the fabric of the universe, questions we don't yet have the answers to. This was Think If. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.